Good afternoon, Anvit.
Good afternoon.
Which class you are studying?
UKG.
Today we learn terminal chords, parts of bird. Okay, this is the crown. Okay, crown. This is leg, tarsus. This is wings. Okay, this is breast. This is eye. This is belly. This is beak. This is tail. Bird. Now pair the parts. First one, now place it here, crown. Place it here, crown. Very good. Next one, tarsus, legs. Place it here. Legs. Legs. Place it here. Very good. Next, wings. Place it here. Wings. Very good. Next, belly. Place it here. Belly. Very good. Next, eye. Place it here. Very good. Next, breast. Place it here. Very good. Next, beak. Place it here. Next, tail. Place it here. Okay. Last, bird. Very good.